The birds are being parasocial. Okay guys, remember Asian tradition, if the bird poops on me, I will buy lottery and win $1 more billion. Guys, please help. They go on my arm if I do it this? No? Come on, check. The bird's still on top? Oh yeah, the bird's still on top. It's grooming me. I think it is grooming me. Can someone clip this and put it in Mudan's Discord animals? Yeah, Katie, they're biting your headband, so yeah. My arm's actually getting tired from holding the gimbal with the charger. This is good workout. This is worse. Oh, yeah, I'm definitely a dick. But instead of singing Kanye West, we're living in the 20. I'm trying to get another bird to go on my arm, but no one's to go on my arm. I think they only come when I get the food. Don't worry guys, 2 minutes till I feed the birds. Poll chat. What should we name the bird? What should we name the bird, guys? Yeah, hang on. Is it this one? Oh no, this is the lorry. Penguin, lorry. This one. 1 minute, guys. Well, this one just chills on my head. Call him George. We'll call him George Miller, in memory of Filthy Frank. R.I.P. George. Yeah, it really likes the headband, Katie. It really likes the headband. Oh, okay. Guys, we got worms. Oh my god. They're eating all the worms. The worms. They're fighting over me. Oh my god, they're putting the worms on my body. Oh my god. Okay, I hope the birds don't, the worms don't, I don't take home any worms. They're spraying the worms everywhere. Ah, my eye. We lost George, guys. George got tired of staying on my thing. Yeah, I'm actually scared the worms get sprinkled all over. They're spraying the worms everywhere. But I think the good thing is they're cutting the worms in half.
நம்ம yellow hey hi டா சோறு வாங்கலாம் அந்த சோறு
இங்க என்ன படு ஏதோ
உட்காந்துட்டு இருந்தீங்க தெரிஞ்ச ரெண்டாவது
அதான் இருக்கு பாரு 4 இருக்கு
Oh no, 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 it's biting my camera. Hello, would you like bird?